Reliability and trustworthiness are two of our important factors for success, and at the same time a reflection of our corporate culture. Expertise developed over decades, top equipment with state-of-the-art technology, and the honest intention to recognize and satisfy our customers' requirements are other ingredients for the success of Felbermayr lifting technology. With more than 2,500 working platforms, about 400 crawler and mobile cranes, with maximum load capacities of 30 to 1,000 tons, we are optimally equipped for all assignments. Our high-performance equipment and the knowledge of our experienced staff are the foundation for successfully managing any task in lifting technology. For our computers, the interplay of parameters such as weight, projection and height are what count. For our specialists, it is new and unconventional solutions that make their daily work interesting. Perfectly matched additional equipment, such as crawler tracks up to 2 meters wide, lifting platforms and optional reinforcement systems increase efficiency, even 200 meters above the ground, if you like. Wherever human labor is required at a great height and goods have to be moved internally, we provide safe solutions with our lifting platforms and forklifts. With an extensive range of all kinds of lifting platforms available for hire, we have the right equipment for every job. At Felbermayr, the problem-free transportation of heavy goods does not end at the unloading point. Specialist transport is not full, customer-focused service until perfect heavy lift handling has been carried out. Our committed employees ensure that the heaviest goods are brought safely on site. We can overcome the most difficult situations with our wealth of specialist knowledge and wide-ranging experience. In addition to high-performance cranes, we can provide any kind of hydraulic lifting equipment, such as lifting here, turtles, moving tracks and air cushions. And yet, movement is not everything. Having laid all the foundations, we can also build on them, if required by our customers.